Welcome back to San Antonio Living. All right, everybody's always looking to save money, especially on their energy bill. Well, there is a way you can do it. It's called the Green Energy Barrier, and I had to step into an app to actually figure out how it's able to do this. This is like, it's magic.
Well, it's not magic. It's the world's most powerful reflective insulation. It's called Green Energy Barrier. Okay. We attach it up into the attic, onto the attic rafters, creating a 6-inch or 8-inch gap, depending on if you have 2x8s or 2x6s, which creates another dead air space, which is another insulator, and then the world's most strongest reflective insulation, which is the Green Energy Barrier.
Okay, so here's the problem. In our homes, if we don't have this Green Energy Barrier, we're trying to combat the heat that's stuck up in our attic, and that's what's keeping our energy bills up because we're using so much energy to cool the house. But your product can really save me money.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes, it can.
All right, well, let's go up into the attic, and we'll see how hot it is up there.
Let's go.
All right, we're up here. We are in the attic, and you're pretty close, and I'm not sweating, which is a pretty big thing because this is what you're doing for homeowners. I mean, it's a pretty big deal. We were just outside. It was hot outside, and it's not hot in this attic.
And this is why. The Green Energy Barrier that's attached to the rafters, we're taking a reading here. It's 89.4. Okay. And just for the demonstration in the live attic, we've cut a hole in the Green Energy Barrier. We're going to take a reading now against the wood. It's 159 degrees in the attic. But that's the power of the Green Energy Barrier. Okay,
so for example, in Shelly Miles's attic, we're talking, because I don't have something like this, we're talking my attic is 150 plus degrees.
Anywhere from 145 to 165 degrees.
And that's why it costs me so much money to cool my house, because I've got to cool the attic that's attached to my house, and it's all the heat that's bearing down on me.
That's it.
Okay, so if you install the Green Energy Barrier, you're going to reduce the heating in your house by almost 50%.
Well, we have a 25% energy pledge.
Wow.
But most of our homeowners are coming back and saying that we're saving them somewhere between 30 and 40%, which is life-changing.
It is life-changing. I mean, look.
Double-sided, and it also works with the winter. So when we turn the furnace, the heat will reflect into the attic and then back into the house. So it's double-sided. It works 365 days a year, 7 days a week, around the clock.